What up, players? I am back. I'm sorry for all the bullshit of not uploading. I just haven't had any content really because between the rain, fucking weather, and all this other bullshit, haven't had any time to do anything really. But I just dropped my block off, as you see. Should be on his way to CNC Werx to get the CSS. I mean, I hope it works. But yeah, I should have a lot more coming up. I'll definitely update you guys on how the status is and how the progress is being made.
2 weeks later.
What's up, guys? I know you can't probably fucking see me at all because it's kind of dark outside. I just got off of work. I'm at the fucking gym. Oh shit. But I'm happy as fuck because I got my invoice from CSS like 2 days ago. My block is at the house. I've been at work all day. Just got to the gym and worked out for a little bit, and now I'm out. So guess we're gonna head home and see where the fuck the CSS is, bitch. All right, so here we go. Unboxing video of the CSS. I'm anxious to see what this shit looks like.
It's a knife.
Swift, baby. Oh, hold on. We don't need that, bitch. Always cut away from you, kids. Alright. Hopefully you guys didn't see my address. Not like it matters any fucking way. Ooh. Kill him. That may be why his shipping was so cheap. My shit was expensive. Good. Everything was good. The block is clean as hell. Everything was done pretty solid. Alright, so here's the CSS, the support ring here. Actually is pretty solid. I mean, I know these guys do a lot of good jobs, and I always wanted to figure out, you know, how these guys did, and these guys were pretty quick, very responsive if I needed anything, and got everything back within 2 weeks, and that's exactly what they did. So definitely a huge shout out to Jeffrey at CSS. Real nice. I can't wait to go ahead and put some bows on